bigger.
Pickaxe down.
Hi guys. Was here and
Pickaxe down.
Stump Pros. And a dead pigeon. Yeah. And oh wait, I took a picture by accident. I tried to zoom in.
You can't zoom in.
Oh, whoa! What?
That's his vertebrae.
What's that?
A backbone.
What? So you got? Oh no, it's your stomach.
Do you want to feel it? Feel how hard it is.
Yeah.
It's like his big, massive boner. He probably died from it. Look, it's not big. His breast out. Is that where the fuck is his head?
It's there. You can see the heart. Are you taking that with you?
I'm trying to flip it.
Pick it up. Not pick up that. Pick up that and flip it then. There's its head. Look, you can see it's been bit off. Its head. Pick that up. Pick that up. And
no, there's hornets on it.
There's no hornets.
I'm not hornet. Yeah. So weird.
Watch out.
If it was longer, I'd do it. It's a bit horrible. Look, there's his blood here.
Yeah, go. Press into the phone. Press into the phone. Don't hold it. You do it.
That's horrid. Damn. Right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.